Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's super close to my heart and I think to yours too. Creating a happy home through some amazing design changes. Lately it seems like everyone is talking about home design. And you know what? There's a good reason for it. With more people spending time at home, we're all realizing just how important our surroundings are for our happiness and well-being. So, let's chat about some awesome ways to transform your home into a place that radiates joy and comfort. Discussion number 1. Why home design has become so popular lately. First off, let's talk about why home design has become such a big deal recently. I think it all started with more of us working from home and needing spaces that aren't just functional, but also inspiring and relaxing. We've started to see our homes not just as places to crash at the end of the day, but as true sanctuaries. The rise of social media and shows on platforms like Netflix have also played a huge role. We get to see all these beautiful homes and get inspired to recreate that magic in our own spaces. And let's not forget about the mental health aspect. A well-designed home can significantly boost our mood and productivity. Alright, now that we've got a bit of background, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can make your home a happier place. Discussion number 2, lighting matters. First up, let's talk about lighting. Oh boy, does lighting matter. It's one of the most transformative elements in home design. Natural light is a game changer. If you're lucky enough to have large windows, maximize that light. Keep window treatments light and airy. Think sheer curtains that allow sunlight to flood in. For those darker rooms or spaces where natural light is limited, invest in good quality lighting. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Floor lamps, table lamps, and even fairy lights can add that cozy touch. What design changes can make a happy home? Remember, lighting isn't just about seeing clearly, it's about creating a mood. Soft, warm light can make your space feel incredibly welcoming. Discussion number 3. Create a tranquil bathroom. Next, let's head to the bathroom. Creating a tranquil bathroom can be a real game changer for your daily routine. Start with calming colors. Soft, earthy colors and neutrals work wonders. Think about the little details that can elevate your bathroom from basic to blissful. Soft, plush towels, a nice bath mat, and maybe even a robe can make a huge difference. Incorporate some natural elements like wooden accessories or stone soap dishes to bring a bit of the spa vibe home. Don't forget about scent. Candles, essential oils, or even a nice smelling soap can instantly make your bathroom feel more luxurious. And if you can, consider a rainfall shower head. It's a small upgrade that feels like a huge luxury. Discussion number 4, embrace indoor plants. Moving on, let's talk about one of my favorite home design tips, embracing indoor plants. Indoor plants are more than just decor. They bring life and color into your space and can even improve air quality. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, there are plenty of low-maintenance options that can thrive indoors. Snake plants, pothos, and succulents are great for beginners. Place them on windowsills, shelves, or even hang them to add some greenery at different heights. Plants can also be a fun way to add personality to your space. Pick pots that match your style, whether that's boho, minimalist, or something in between. Plus, taking care of plants can be incredibly rewarding and therapeutic. Discussion number 5, declutter and simplify. Now let's talk about decluttering and simplifying your space. We've all heard the saying, a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, and it's so true. Start by going through each room and getting rid of things you don't use or love. Donate, recycle, or toss items that don't add value to your life. Once you've decluttered, think about storage solutions that work for you. Baskets, bins, and shelves can help keep everything organized and out of sight. Simplifying your space doesn't mean it has to be bare. It's about making sure that everything in your home serves a purpose or brings you joy. When your home is organized and clutter-free, it's so much easier to relax and enjoy your surroundings. Discussion number 6, optimize room layouts. Optimizing your room layouts is another key to a happy home. Think about how you use each space and arrange your furniture accordingly. You want your home to flow well and feel natural. In living areas, arrange seating to encourage conversation and create a focal point like a fireplace or a piece of art. In bedrooms, make sure your bed is the star of the show. It should be the first thing you see when you walk in. For home offices, set up your desk so you have a nice view if possible and keep it clutter-free to help with focus. Don't be afraid to move things around and try different layouts until it feels right. Sometimes a small change in furniture placement can make a huge difference in how a room feels. Discussion number 7, personalize your space. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about personalizing your space. Your home should reflect who you are and what you love. Display items that have meaning to you, photos, travel souvenirs, or even art pieces you've collected. Create little vignettes on shelves or tables that tell a story. Mix new pieces with vintage finds to add character and warmth. And don't be afraid to get creative with DIY projects. Whether it's a gallery wall of your favorite prints, a handmade piece of furniture, or some custom throw pillows, adding your personal touch can make your home feel truly unique and special. Your space should make you smile every time you walk in. Conclusion. So there you have it. Some fantastic design changes that can make your home a happier place. To recap, focus on lighting, create a tranquil bathroom, embrace indoor plants, declutter and simplify. Optimize your room layouts and personalize your space. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and with a little effort and creativity, you can make it a place that not only looks great, but also feels amazing. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home design tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with your favorite home design tip, or let me know what changes you're planning to make in your own space. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy decorating. As usual, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.